In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add files to a project in Claude AI, Upload Docs. We'll start right from your browser to make this simple. Open a new tab and head to Google. In the search bar, type Claude AI and look for the official result. You'll know you're in the right place when you land on Claude's homepage. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so you can access your projects. Once you're in, look for the Projects area in the navigation. Click into Projects to view your workspace. From here, open the project you want to work with. If you already have a project in mind, select it to continue. Inside the project, you'll see different sections designed to keep your work organized. Next, go to the Files section. This is where you'll add any documents you want Claude to reference. Find the plus icon or the Upload button, then click it to bring up your file picker. Choose the documents from your computer that you'd like to upload. Give it a moment while the files are added to your project. If you're uploading multiple items, you can repeat the process or select several at once, depending on your browser. A quick tip here: keep file names clear and descriptive so it's easy to reference them later. If you run into an error, it's often due to size limits or unsupported formats. So consider compressing the file or converting it to a common type like PDF or plain text. Also, make sure the document is the final version you want Claude to read. Edits made after uploading will require re-uploading. With your files in place, let's test them in a prompt. Open the chat or prompt area inside the same project and write a clear instruction that tells Claude what to do with the uploaded document. For example, you might ask for a summary, an outline, or specific insights, and it helps to mention the file by name so the model knows which content to use. Aim for concrete questions, like summarize the key points from the project overview document, or extract the tasks and deadlines from the attached file. When your prompt looks good, click Submit. Claude will read the files associated with this project and respond using that context. If the response seems off, refine your prompt by being more specific, or double-check that the correct files are in the project's Files section. That's it. You've successfully navigated to Claude, opened your project, uploaded your documents, and used them in a prompt. Save this workflow for any research, documentation, or planning tasks where Claude needs to understand your materials.